Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain what are password selection strategies. We can also call it as password selection techniques, and also I'm going to explain what are the techniques used to avoid guessable passwords. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's start our video. See, too short passwords is too easy to guess. See, for example, if you keep very short passwords, it is very easy to guess. So if the password is 8-bit character, it is impossible to crack the password. So always we need to keep passwords with 8-bit character. See, 8 characters, so that hacker cannot hack our passwords. And in order to eliminate guessable passwords, four basic techniques are suggested. First one is user education, and second one is password generated by computers, and third one is preactive password checking, and fourth one is this one is reactive password checking, and fourth one is proactive password checking. See, first one. See, for example, if you keep password very short, for example, if I keep 1 2 3 4 like that, hacker can easily hack your password. So we need to keep passwords which is of 8-bit characters. See, for example, a b c d 1 2 3 4 at the rate. See, you need to add special characters, numbers, and as well as alphabets to your password, so that if you keep password like this, hacker cannot guess your password. See, first one. See, in order to eliminate guessable password, there are four basic techniques. First one is user education. See, we need to educate each and every user. We need to say each and every people that you need to keep strong passwords, so that hacker cannot hack your password. See, educate about the importance of password, so that user select strong password and very difficult to avoid guessing. See, this technique is not much usable when population is high. See, for example, if there is huge population, we cannot say each and every people to keep strong password. So when population is less, you can educate them regarding password, how password is used, and how to secure your passwords. And second one is password generated by computers. This is nothing but there are so many algorithms and softwares which are used to generate passwords. They are nothing but computer generated passwords. So computer generated passwords are very secure. You can keep computer generated passwords. You can select passwords by using computer softwares or computer algorithms. And third one is reactive password checking. See, systems runs its own password checkers to find disable passwords. See, for example, there are so many softwares which are used in order to find passwords. So user give deadline to change password. See, first, if you, for example, your name is Raju, so if you keep password as Raju 1 2 3 like that, it is very easy to guess. So there are so many softwares which are used to find disable passwords. Many of the companies uses this reactive password checking strategy, and then this company send message to users and then give some deadline to change password. See, for example, there is company Facebook. So for example, if the user has selected password which is guessable, so what this Facebook company do is, Facebook company send this message that change your password and give some deadline. For example, you need to change password within 2 days like that. This company give deadline to the user. This is one basic example. And fourth one is proactive password checking. See, a user is allowed to select his password. At the time of selection, the system check to see if password is allowed. See, for example, if user want to keep particular password, then this system gives some instructions like keep password with 8-bit characters, and password should contain capital letters as well as small letters, as well as numbers and alphabets, special characters like that. System will give some sort of suggestions, so that person should select password according to the system. So this is known as proactive password checking. How to protect password? See, if you keep password with 8-bit characters, and that password should include capital letters and as well as small letters. Password should contain numbers and as well as special characters. If you keep password like this, user cannot hack your password. Hacker cannot hack your password. And also there is another technique known as encryption. By using encryption also you can secure your password. You can select strong password. See, this is example abc1234 at the rate, whereas at the rate is special character and this password contains numbers and as well as alphabet. So you should select password like this. This is known as password selection strategies or password selection techniques. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.